Welcome back to VHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So today our chapter is chapter 4, reproduction in animals. So in our first part of this chapter we have learned the life cycle of a cockroach and the life cycle of a butterfly. Means we have learned the life cycle of an insect. Now in this video we will learn a life cycle of an amphibian or a life cycle of a frog. Now first, as in the previous chapter I have already explained what are the amphibians. Again I will explain. Amphibians are the animals which can live easily in the water as well as on the land. Means the animal which live in the water as well as on the land is known as amphibian. So frog is also one of the example of amphibian. So one by one we will learn about the life cycle of a frog. As in the picture you can see the life cycle of a picture, that is also a continuous process because the reproduction is very necessary to continue the species of the animal. So first, an adult frog lays so many eggs in the cluster which is known as a spawn. Then these eggs hatches out, they become as a tadpole. Okay, when these eggs hatches out, a tadpole come out from the egg, and this tadpole is just like a small fish. Okay, because like a fish, this tadpole also have a fin to swim, and also these tadpoles breathe through their gills like a fish. Okay, so that's why we can say tadpoles are like a small fish. Now these tadpoles eat faster. Okay, these tadpoles eat faster and slowly they develop their limbs and lungs. Okay, their limbs and lungs and become a froglet or a young one of a frog. Now when this frog is completely grown, this frog become an adult frog. Okay, this a young frog become an adult frog, and this adult frog is completely developed their breathing system like lungs and moist skin. This process of transformation from egg to adult frog is known as metamorphosis. Okay, the process of transforming from immature form into an adult form is known as metamorphosis. Now I told you that adult frog breathes through lungs as well as moist skin. Means this amphibian has two breathing systems. First lungs, second moist skin. So when this frog is on the land, it breathes through their lungs. Okay, when this frog is on the land, it breathes through their lungs, and when this frog is in the water, it breathes through their moist skin. As we all know, amphibians can easily live in the water or on the land. So this frog use moist skin to breathe in the water and lungs to breathe on the land. Now, after the life cycle of a frog, we will learn the life cycle of a fish. Okay, the life cycle of a fish. So in the picture we can see a life cycle of a fish. So first, we all know that fish is an aquatic animal, and fish also lays eggs. Only in the category of fish, dolphin and whale. These two fish are the mammals, means they don't lay eggs, they give birth to the young ones. Okay. Now an adult fish lays so many eggs, but only few of them can grow because many of the eggs are eaten by the big fish in the water. Okay, so only few eggs grow into an adult fish and other eggs are eaten by the big fish. Now when a adult fish lays eggs, these eggs hatches into a young very small fish that is also known as a fry. Okay, the young one of a fish is called as a fry. Okay, when the eggs of the fish hatches into young one of a fish, the young one of fish is known as fry. Okay, now the fry grow into fingerlings. After growing slowly, this fry become as a fingerlings. Now after some time, this fingerlings grow as an adult fish. Okay, and we all know that an adult fish or fingerlings or fry, these all have the fins, so they swim in the water with the help of fins, and on the body they have gills, so with the help of gills they breathe in the water. And also fish have, okay, so again I'll explain. First, an adult fish lays eggs and these eggs hatches into fry. Fry, what is fry? The young one of a fish. As the puppy is a young one of a dog, so same, fry is the young one of a adult fish. Then slowly this fry grows and become as a fingerlings. Okay, you can see the picture, different stages of fish. Then after growing more, this fingerlings grow as an adult fish. So in this way, this process is continuously. Now reptiles like lizard, snakes, turtle also lay eggs, and these eggs hatched by the warmth of the sun. Okay. Reptiles like lizard, snakes, turtle also lay eggs. We all know, and we all know all the eggs need some warmth to hatches, so they get the heat from the sun. So now we have to learn about the parental care. So first we have to understand what is parental care. As mammals also take care of their babies, like our parents take care of us, so same animals, birds also take care of their young ones. As if we will talk about the birds, mostly birds lays their eggs in a nest. Okay, they first make a nest, then lays eggs in the nest. So in this way they protect their eggs, their young one, from the enemies, and they give warmth to their egg, and they protect the egg till then they hatches out into a small bird. Okay, same if we will talk about the crocodile. Crocodile lay egg in the soil and cover it till they hatched. Okay, crocodile also lay egg, and after laying the egg, the crocodile covers the egg into the soil and and wait for they hatched. And after when they hatched into a small crocodile, the mother crocodile, okay, the mainly take care who take care the young one of the animal, mainly the mother animal. Either we will talk about the mother crocodile. When young crocodile hatches into a when the egg hatches into a younger crocodile, the mother crocodile takes the babies into its mouth. Okay, takes the baby into its mouth and move into the water. So in this way, this crocodile protects their babies from the enemies. Okay, so this type of care is not seen in the lower animals like fish, frogs, lizard, and most of the insect. Means these insects doesn't take care of their babies, they just lays the egg and leave the egg. But many of the animals are there who take care of their young ones or their eggs. But these insects just lays the insect like many insects, lizards, fish or frogs. They doesn't take care, but still they lays the egg in the safe place. Okay, so they also they don't care the eggs after laying, but they try to lay the eggs in the safe place, and after they don't pay any attention to look after these eggs. Okay, so that's why in the life cycle of a fish, I told you that fish lays so many eggs at a time, but only few of them can grow because some eggs are eaten up by the bigger fish. That is the reason, because fish also lays the eggs in a safer area or safer place, but they don't take care after laying the eggs. Okay, so our chapter is completed. We will meet for the next chapter. Till thank you.